We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2006 Harley Davidson Road King in black cherry. Has the beautiful white wall tires and spoked wheels. We also have dual disc brakes in the front, engine guards front and rear. The chrome detailing is beautiful. We have the leather Harley Davidson saddlebags with the bag guard going all the way around. We also have an aftermarket exhaust. We have the Harley Davidson heel toe shifter, an extender on the side stand, makes it easier to deploy, and some extremely comfortable Avon grips. Last item is a nice tall windshield with the Harley Davidson leather bag on it as well. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.